This is our Amada TEG-160C punch and die grinder. It's got a 6.5-inch 3-jaw chuck. We have both the ID and the OD jaws. It has coolant, all original paint. Nice looking machine. Gonna bring it on. Not a lot to show, but we'll show what we can. Elevation. All three, nice and moving. Bring it around the spindle. That is our Amada TEG-160C punch and die tool grinder. Thank you for watching.